He's got it. He's pulled through. Yeah, the wind takes you. Oh, he's a donkey lad. Nah, he's small. Right, better than tiny, but.
Never ever take out the front of the boat. Huh? Never ever take out the front of the boat. What do you mean? Ride it all the way to the front.
Did you flick it into your face, eh? Yeah, he's a good fish. Remember the alright one I got last time we were up here as well? Did the same thing. Yeah.
You know what's funny? Eli said to me, he picked this colour and goes, Dad, take it, you'll get a fish on it. I was like, all the colours there was, he chose this one.
There's nothing left.
Oh, that's the carp. Yep. Oh!
Oh yeah, he's big. He's big. Bro, it's crazy how fast they can just hit like.
Hit the fucking lure?
Yeah, it's like that, and it's just like poof.
Or before like it's like landing and they're like. Oh, he was good fish.
That was a bit better.
He's looking up, that's why.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, good fish?
Yeah, off the tree. Nah, not that good. Little pecker lad, but he smacked it. Oh no, he's alright. Oh, watch me chuck out my lure bag now.
Phone, car keys.
Oh my god.
Oh, same spot.
Really?
Yeah.
Hook up, lad. Give a hook up.
Oh, I gotta get one. Ready?
Ooh, it's a nice yellow belly in that. It's a nice brim.
Remember that time the guy was here at the ramp? I mean, down there at the car park? Fuck, hope we get a few brim here today.
We're at Broughton, and fucking the lady's like, is that a carp? I'm like, yeah, I'm holding a fucking pretty good bass. I'm like, yeah, why is that? She's like, you can't put that back.
Yeah.
They can be, right? And that's time with the camera, like blow up after blow up after blow up.
Or at night.
You couldn't get it, bro?
The small ones are stupid at night.
I had this big budgie on. I got like, that was alright fish, I think. Right, the fucking thing. Mine was a car from here, hey?
For you. Yeah, I think the other side is a bit more like the banky, bit shallowy, different.
Good bad at night. What the fuck was that?
Oh,
Fish?
that was alright too. Fucking hell, that scared
Told
the
ya.
fucking
Them
shit out of
ants
me.
are all at the fucking boat.
Bro, he comes so far out.
Big tree there.
Oh, bro, you see that?
Instant.
Shit, hit the water. Hit it.
Like that.
Hit you over there?
Oh, he's big. He's a donkey, lad.
Man, fucking brick out.
He's fucking, he's gonna break him. Yeah. I'm getting fucking bricked by him, lad. Bro, he's like a weird colour bass. Oh, he was alright. It's actually alright, that thing.